Hello, Hunnay. First and foremost, all my fam who have subscribed, thank you so much, especially during this time. Please do subscribe so I can meet every one of you guys in the comments. I also want to give a major thank you to all of our essential workers, being able to do everything they can so that we keep ourselves in as much of a safe place as possible. Thank you for everything that you do. What you're about to see today is a chili cook-off. When my man asked, just very casually, hey babe, I really love chili. Can you maybe make some chili someday? I said, yeah, absolutely. I am a good cook, and despite what anybody says, that I don't cook a lot, I can see your face, Julianne. Despite what anybody says, my recipes are bomb. I may not be like a Martha Stewart or like a Chrissy Teigen, but I definitely have my wham bam thank you man moves. So when I looked at my boo and I said, yeah, absolutely, this will be great, my little brother behind me went, yeah, right, dumping cans into a pot. Wow, mortified, embarrassed. Okay, cool, mom, I can hear you. Watch, I'm gonna make the chili. His girlfriend then goes, oh, okay. And they exchange some little I'm going to show them that not only can I make an amazing chili, but I will annihilate anybody who decides to challenge me. In order to have a chili cook-off, we have to have the perfect judge. Unafraid.
Who care, whatever.
Unapologetic.
Hell no.
Somebody who judges every essence of something put together with a little touch of petty because she cares that much.
First of all, I don't know what the hell they cooking. American food. Is that American food? Who care anyway? Second of all, I just want to walk out of the door and go home. I have no choice. I get stuck here. I have to be a judge.
I'm aware that Mama Mai favors Daniel.
My son, my last son, the most I love, okay?
I'm aware that he's the favorite kid. This is my chance to prove to my mom that I'm not useless in the kitchen.
Mama will be fair.
Am I centered?
Daniel, I think, has a big mouth. I also think that he's a little too pompous, a little too confident, a little too arrogant.
I don't cook, but she doesn't either, and I love a good competition, so it's on.
He thinks he's better than everybody else.
That's all you say?
Yeah.
I want to prove to him in front of everybody and my fam out there that I reign supreme. I researched the best chili recipe. The only caveat is this chili cook-off is going to be made with vegetarian meats. That is because of Jay.
And we're gonna make spicy Guy Fieri Dragon Breath chili with all of these amazing farmer's market vegetables, special poblano chilies from my friend's motherfucking garden. All of the ingredients that are required to make one serving of this chili. Pinto beans, authentic Goya, because we know that's where the real bean flavor comes from, cayenne pepper, ancho chili pepper, coriander, paprika, garlic powder, and cumin, and vegan meats. You guys believe in me, right? Oh yeah. And the roasting. I think I'm the only person who's roasting a poblano chili with a chopstick. So you're supposed to just put it directly on a flame like so, and just let the skin burn down to a nice blackened edge. But this is supposed to bring out all the flavor so that our chili will have that roasted fire taste. You know how talented I am to be recording this while I'm spitting them? Once you see the chilies blackened, put it into a bowl, wrap it with saran wrap so you basically sweat the babies out. Ooh. Excuse me, this is exactly how Guy Fieri does it. Bell peppers, onions, poblano chili peppers and enchilo peppers, garlic, green onion, and jalapeno. Here's the pot. Now I'm putting in the tomato sauce and paste. You go to your local Latino grocery store and you get the salsa de fresco, the hot tomato sauce. This is where it's at, baby. Yeah. That's when you know you're cooking in an Asian household, when your cooking utensils include chopsticks and plastic spoons, courtesy of Mama Mai.
Whatever.
Now we're putting in plant-based ground beef. It's 3 pounds total, and then plant-based chorizo. Sit back for a second. Flavor, texture, magic, and heart. Do you feel the heart, the love in all the diced vegetables? Look how beautiful this is. All right. I could not sleep a wink last night because all I could think about was how my baby was doing. There's a method to the madness. My judge is a petty Asian woman who will critique every single thing about this dish, even the time it was cooked. And the one thing I know about Vietnamese meals is that it's always better the next day. Here's the best part of the story. You ready? I called my brother earlier, checked in just to kind of make sure he doesn't show Mama Mai his chili, that she doesn't identify it in any way as he picks her up. He hasn't made the chili. Yes!
I'm going against my sister with a chili cook-off, and I already up. Bought the wrong beans. I was supposed to buy canned beans. Now I got dry beans. Thank God for the Instant Pot. I don't even know if I'm supposed to wash these. Look at this. Probably don't want to leave that in there.
How many cups is that? You want to fill it up, but they stand.
Bring it. And we're gonna pressure cook that since I didn't let it soak overnight. And we're good. This recipe was passed down from generations through this website. Fish sauce in chili, can you believe it? 1, 2, soy sauce, there we go. Tomato paste, about the right one, right?
Yes.
3.
Just dip it in. Yeah.
Cool.
You still have a lot of skin on it left.
Like
Yeah.
that?
No. Take the knife. Grab the knife. Grab the
Hey,
knife.
got it, go.
There's still skin on it. Yeah. Does it look nice?
No, that doesn't look nice.
Okay.
Ha! Oh, hi again. Perfectly chopped onions through the magic of editing. And some under and some overcooked. We don't have time to recook it. All right, adding the meat. Ow! Burning! Pepper to taste.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Now it's nice and brown. Take a look at that. Spices and all that. The stock we made. And the meat juice that I saved earlier. Uncooked, overcooked kidney.
No, mix it.
I'll mix it. I've never cooked chili before. I don't think I'll ever will again. Crushed tomato juice, add it on top. Don't mix it, because I got yelled at several times already off camera. Cool. All right, so I mix it, right?
No.
Don't mix it.
You're an idiot.
Okay, close, pressure cook. How many minutes?
10 minutes. Okay.
Let it sit.
Well, 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 the Instant Pot.
Presentation is presentation.
Whatever. That's fine.
Presentation, guys.
Wait, hold on. Wait, don't do anything yet. Wait.
What are we doing?
Oh my God.
Shoot her. Look how nice it looks. Look at this. Hold on. Mom, don't open your eyes. Do my wires look messy, Daniel, with my all over the place? What the fuck?
Oh my God, look at that.
Jimmy, I forgot my earring.
On the count of 3, Mom. 1, 2, 3.
Look at the damn chili, Mom.
Wow. Looks so good.
What was she looking at?
Oh my God.
So, Mom,
Okay.
well, I know. I'm gonna present to her what it is.
Okay, I was gonna say though, right now you have 2 chilies in front of you that you have no idea.
Can we welcome her first, Mom? Welcome to the first ever.
Oh my God.
Mom, welcome to the first ever My Chili Cook-Off. Applause.
Okay.
My chili I decided to make are from wholesome ingredients of where chili originally came from.
And where's that?
The Middle States. So my chilies have Anaheim chili, poblano chili peppers, and jalapeno. 3 different types of chili in order to give you a spicy kick. I also would like to say that, Mom, you taught me a very good lesson that the best dishes are made the night before. I took the time to make my chili the night before.
You don't make chili the night before. If anything, that's gonna make it hard. It's not like soup.
No.
You know, soup, you let it marinate, of course, but chili is not a soup, okay? It's very thick, it's very heavy, okay?
Yeah, when you're cooking
So-
it, it's hot.
So, I made my chili very fast. Instant pot, it cooks very fast with pressure, okay?
Homemade
Now-
chili in an Instant Pot?
Yes.
Mom?
Well,
Yeah.
you never know. My
Yeah,
God.
you never know.
It's raining over here.
Okay, and not only that, 1 ingredient, soy sauce.
Uh-huh.
The
Oh
other
my
ingredient,
God.
the other
Okay.
ingredient, fish sauce. I know, it's crazy.
Night
Okay.
before, Mom slaved the night before.
Hold
Look at
on.
this presentation. You
No.
always teach me the day you cook,
I just want to walk out the door and go home.
you should be before the guests come. When the guests come, you should be calm and
The hair,
Your hair is getting in your
go.
See how clean the kitchen was?
I know, whatever.
How do you feel about the look?
Yeah, the
I
president.
love both of them. They look so good. Cup looks so cute, you know what I mean? You want to eat more, you can eat. But if you put a lot, I look at, I feel full already, but still look good too. So I don't know. Can I try it?
Yes, whichever one you like to try first.
Okay, let me try this one because I'm left hand. Ooh. I'll make sure I don't eat too much, I'm gonna pass gas. You know? Don't have it next to me, you're gonna pass a lot of gas. Right, it's really good. I like it. It's really good. I don't get too much American food, but I like this.
What are some good things and what are some bad things about it, Mom?
I don't see anything bad yet.
Mom, can you stop eating? Mine's getting cold. It's getting cold. She already tried one.
Okay, I think that's
Okay, yeah, that's good. That's really good.
Okay.
Okay, we're good.
Let me try this one. To make sure I'm dry. Okay. Lose your eyeball. What are you? We're gonna have a special price. The most, expensive. The most, no, not expensive. Take too much time to get it. Ta-da, ta-da! Ta-da, ta-da! Ta-da-da! 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 You see that? That's the first prize. The winner is... Hey! Number 1 who's anyway.
Jeannie, stand in. Wait, hold on. Okay, now, Mom, make sure they can see your face.
Who wanna wear this crown? Who? You?
No!
She's gonna put it on me,
Oh,
Mom.
con là tên người thắng hả? Oh, really, my son? Da 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 da. See? More flavor. It's
Oh,
good, but
yeah.
con missing
No,
salt.
you're
You
lying.
missing salt. You miss.
It's so salty. You made this so salty. It makes this taste bland.
Makes sense.
You think everything is salty, like your attitude right now.
No, you're salty. It's okay.
The beans don't even taste wholly cooked. They taste.
No, that is true.
The beans. Oh my god!
That's true. Excuse me, guys, please.
Jeannie Mai, I'm gonna tell you right now, this ain't the last time you're gonna see me.
You gotta know how to season correctly.
As soon as my mom tried my chili, mine came off too bland.
Was it a muffin or a cornbread? We don't know.
She didn't even notice the napkin that I did.
And then she was complaining about the napkin. Okay.
But the presentation is about the napkin.